Welcome back to the channel Car Reviewpedia, where we explore the most exciting vehicles shaping the future of travel. Today we are taking a deep dive into the 2026 Fleetwood Discovery, a luxury diesel motorhome that blends comfort, smart design, and powerful performance into one impressive package. If you are someone who dreams of long road trips, full-time RV living, or simply wants to know what modern motorhome luxury looks like, this review is for you. The moment you see the 2026 Fleetwood Discovery, it feels bold and confident. Its exterior design is clean yet commanding, with smooth aerodynamic lines that not only look premium but also help with stability and fuel efficiency on the road. The large panoramic windshield gives the driver excellent visibility, making long highway drives more relaxing and scenic. LED headlights and accent lighting add a modern touch while also improving nighttime safety. Multiple exterior storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into the body, offering generous space for gear, tools, outdoor furniture, and everything you need for extended journeys. Step inside, and the Discovery truly starts to shine. The interior feels open and airy thanks to its smart floor plan and large windows that let natural light flood the cabin. Fleetwood has clearly focused on creating a residential feel rather than just a vehicle interior. The living area is spacious, with premium seating that is both stylish and comfortable. Plush sofas, theater seating options, and a well-designed dinette provide multiple ways to relax, whether you are watching a movie, reading a book, or entertaining guests. The materials used throughout the cabin feel high quality. Soft touch surfaces, elegant wood finishes, and durable flooring combine luxury with practicality. The ceiling height adds to the sense of openness, allowing you to move around freely without feeling confined. Storage is cleverly built into almost every area, from overhead cabinets to hidden compartments under seating, ensuring that clutter never becomes a problem. One of the highlights of the 2026 Fleetwood Discovery is its kitchen. This is a space designed for people who actually enjoy cooking on the road. The solid surface countertops provide ample workspace, while the residential-style refrigerator ensures you can store enough food for long trips. A convection microwave, induction cooktop, and optional dishwasher elevate the kitchen to home-level convenience. Cabinets and drawers are deep and thoughtfully arranged, making it easy to organize utensils, cookware, and pantry items. Moving toward the bedroom, comfort remains a top priority. The master bedroom features a large bed that rivals what you would find at home, surrounded by wardrobes and storage cabinets that make long-term living practical. Large windows keep the room bright during the day, while blackout shades ensure privacy and restful sleep at night. The bedroom also offers space for a TV and personal items, turning it into a true retreat after a long day of travel. The bathroom in the 2026 Discovery is another area where Fleetwood has focused on space and functionality. A roomy shower with glass doors, a stylish vanity with storage, and a residential-style toilet make daily routines comfortable and convenient. The layout ensures easy movement, even for taller travelers, and ventilation is well managed to keep the space fresh. Beyond luxury, the Discovery is built on a strong diesel chassis that delivers smooth and confident driving. The powerful engine handles highways and mountain roads with ease, while advanced suspension systems help reduce road fatigue. Driver-focused technology such as a digital dashboard, navigation system, backup cameras, and driver assistance features make handling this large motorhome far less intimidating than you might expect. Climate control is another strong point. Multiple zone air conditioning and efficient heating systems ensure comfort in both hot summers and cold winters. Insulation and quality construction help maintain interior temperature while reducing outside noise, creating a calm and quiet environment inside the coach. Technology integration is well thought out throughout the motorhome. Touchscreen control panels allow you to manage lighting, climate, slides, and monitoring systems with ease. USB ports, charging stations, and entertainment systems are placed where you actually need them, supporting modern digital lifestyles whether you are working remotely or streaming your favorite shows. Overall, the 2026 Fleetwood Discovery delivers a well-balanced combination of luxury, space, and practical features. It is designed for travelers who want comfort without compromise and performance without stress. Whether you plan to live full-time on the road or enjoy extended vacations, this motorhome offers a premium experience that feels like home wherever you